Hi dear students, welcome to Google class. How are you? Today I am going to discuss with the Transfer of Property Act under section 93. Okay, prohibition of taking or doctrine of tacking. T-A-C-K-I-N-G, tacking. What is meaning of tacking? The meaning of tacking is the priority of mortgages over the same property is determined by the order in which the mortgages were made. Okay, the prior 1926, this order might be distributed by the process of adding a subsequent mortgage to an earlier mortgage or a further advance by the earlier mortgagee to his mortgage. When both would take the priority of the earlier, provided there was no notice of intervening mortgages at the time of the subsequent mortgage was made. This was known as tacking. T-A-C-K-I-N-G, tacking. Okay. Thus, the third mortgagee who had no notice of second mortgage and the legal estate and squares out or postpone the second mortgage. In England, by section 94 of the Law of Property Act 1925, tacking was abolished. Okay. In India, section 93 of the Transfer of Property Act 1882 abolished the doctrine of tacking also. Now it's understand? Already abolished. Okay, what is this tacking, doctrine of tacking? Example, X, a certain property, and mortgage this property, three mortgages, A, B and C. One after one taking rupees 1 lakh from each of them. Okay, I will give you A mortgagee advanced loan to X on January 1st, 2009. Okay, 1 lakh rupees. B mortgagee advanced loan to X on 1st February 2009, 1 lakh. C mortgagee advanced loan to X 1st March 2009, rupees 1 lakh. Here, as a general rule, the order of the priority shall be from A to C only. Okay, that is, C mortgagee shall get least and last priority among them. Okay, we already discussed priority, doctrine of priority, earlier class. Okay, when their debts come to be discharged, the general rule is the obligations arising out of successive mortgages should be discharged in the chronological order of their dates. Okay, first date, second dates, third dates. This is known as, we already known the legal maxim, qui prior est tempore, potior est jure. Okay, that means he who is prior in time is stronger in law. Okay. Meanwhile, C, the last mortgagee, advanced rupees 1 lakh to A. Thus, he become the biggest mortgagee among B and C. A was sent out and his mortgage debt was cleared by C. Now C, the mortgagee, comes priority than B and demands the mortgager to clear off first his debt and lastly to clear the debt of B. This is called the doctrine of tacking. Due to this doctrine, the last mortgagee comes first. I think now it's understand. This is what saying section 93. Section 93 of this TP Act explain about prohibition of tacking. No mortgagee paying off a prior mortgage, whether with or without notice, of an intermediate mortgage, shall thereby acquire any priority in respect of his original security, and except in the case provided for the by section 79, no mortgagee making a subsequent advance to the mortgagor, whether with or without notice of an intermediate mortgage, shall thereby acquire any priority in respect of his security for such subsequent advance. Okay, now it's clear. This is what saying section 93 of TP Act. And another thing, in England, section 94 of the Law of Property Act 1925 abolished in the doctrine of tacking. Okay. Similarly, in India, section 93 of the Transfer of Property Act 1882 abolished the doctrine of tacking. Now it has remained as matter of only for academic study. That's all. Our India, this section will not use. Okay, for only study purpose only I am giving this section. Okay, we just hear and listen, you can understand, that's all. Okay, student, bye. We'll meet you again next class, the next section. Please wait. Okay, bye, thank you.